and welcome back to my channel, guys. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys my new filming equipment or lighting enhancer that I just got, and this is so amazing because it helps give this really beautiful glow on my skin and also helps in bouncing the light. Now on my channel I talk about things relating to production, growing on YouTube, filming on YouTube, strategy, marketing and all of that, but you guys already know that I am obsessed with lighting and getting the best type of lighting. All right, so let's just get right into this video. So if you are a new subscriber here, hi, welcome. My name is Kelechi Mgbemena, and on this channel we talk all about production, strategy as well as marketing, and I like to give you guys tips, tricks as well as tutorials to help you grow, to help you create amazing content that would obviously help in growing your brand as well as growing your influence. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys one of the new filming equipment or tool or device. I don't know what this is called, but it's just a new add-on that I got. I think it is not necessary because I'm going to be showing you guys all that alternatives, but I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like, the whole setup process, before, after, removing it out, just to show you guys the difference having this here. Now, in case you guys are a returning subscriber, you already know that I am obsessed with lighting, especially getting that beautiful lighting for beauty tutorials and for videos like this, just so we are looking our best, and I'm obsessed with it. So I'm always on the lookout for the new best thing, the new best tool, equipment that can help in creating better content, and I like to try them out and then see if it's worth actually buying and also share that with you guys. So the new equipment that I got is a reflector. You guys know that I talk about reflectors so much on my channel because the difference they make is so huge, and I don't want you guys to take it for granted. I have a lot of reflectors around my studio, and this one I have been using for a while. You guys probably have seen this on my channel. This is a normal reflector you can get on Amazon from about $10 to about $19. This is a basic one. If you're to start, I'll definitely advise you to get this one. This one is a lot more beginner friendly, it's a lot more affordable, and it's a lot easier to use, set up and carry along as you go compared to the one that I have now, and I'm going to be showing you as well. If you guys feel like having this type of reflector is a lot of expense for you to have or for you to incur, I'm going to show you an alternative that I used to use and I still use because obviously I still have it around with me, and that is DIYing a foil paper. This is what the foil paper looks like. Comparing the foil paper to this reflector, you guys can see that they both have that silver reflectiveness going on. Look at my face. Maybe you guys can see how it is bouncing the light again. So this is a dupe. This is a foil paper. You can get this in your kitchen. If you don't have this in your, look at that. If you don't have this in your kitchen, you can get it in your local supermarket or dollar shop or market, wherever it is you buy things from. This one, you can basically DIY it yourself. I had this on a board. You can put this on a cardboard carton, basically sellotape it to it. I have a sellotape here. I don't know if you guys can see, I have it sellotaped. So yeah, this is definitely something you can use, an alternative if you cannot afford this or if you don't want to make that extra expenses. What you can do is to have this on your table like so, and you are good to go. This is going to help in bouncing the lights, guys. I talk about this a lot and I'm so obsessed with beautiful bounce, glowy skin and light at the same time. You can see that this is going to help in adding and bouncing the light coming from my filming lighting setup. So yeah, this is an alternative if you can't get any of these that I have going on. But now back to why we are here, and it is this U-shaped reflector. Now I've seen a lot of photographers use this in their photography studio, and they use it basically for portrait shots, beauty shots, and I'm like, okay, since I create a lot of portraits kind of ranged content as well as beauty content, let me buy this, let me try it out. And this is also a reflector, by the way. It helps in bouncing the light. It's like a catch light. It gives you this beautiful U-shaped ring in your eyes that is so gorgeous. It's like it's like you have like a little bit of like a glow in your eyes. I do want to say again that these are not necessary, but whenever I buy things, I always look at the long-term value of it, and I see myself creating more picture content in the future. This will be perfect for picture content, beauty content, fashion content, hair content. This is going to work well because it is large. This is not how it's supposed to be. It's actually supposed to be directly underneath you, but because I have a table here, what I did is I angled it in a way that would kind of fit into my current filming studio, so that way it doesn't affect my lighting, it doesn't affect my table or my laptop or whatever I already have going on, but it still adds a lot of light and bounce to it and softness to it, as well as illumination. So I'm going to quickly show you guys what it looks like, as well as how I set it up, so you can see everything. Right, in this bag we have, this is one of the Okay, so this is definitely bigger than I had expected, right? I don't know how I'm going to reduce the length, but I definitely love the fact that you can tilt this to whatever angle you want to use. I definitely think that this is the angle I'm going to be using for filming my videos. This is the angle that would work for me because it's going to help be bouncing the light on my face, on my body, whatever I'm doing. Could use this for like my pictures as well. Amazing. This is what it looks like after I've installed it. Again, if you want to change the colors, you can use white or you can use gold. So yeah, let me just set up my filming area and then show you guys what it looks like when I add it to my filming setup. Yeah, so that is how I set it up. That is how it is, and it's so huge. When I was getting it, I did not know that it was going to be this huge. I'll put a link to where you can get it on Amazon as well as here in Nigeria. But I want to say that if you are a beginner, you don't need this. I just showed you guys a couple other alternatives and hacks you can do to recreate exactly what you're seeing now. But if you are a pro and you want to be creating better content, fashion, beauty, hair content, and you want something more durable, because again, this is probably my 10th DIY fall paper, because they tend to rip like so and it just gets everywhere. But yeah, these ones are a lot more durable. They're a lot more professional. So I see myself using this for like 5-10 years. So whatever I'm buying now is not an expense, it's an investment to the content I'm going to be creating in the future. So yeah, I just thought it would be something to quickly try out, install, and show you guys. So previously, I don't know if you guys have seen any of my previous YouTube filming setup video. Basically what I did was that I had a foam board, and I had that foam board just exactly where this thing is right now, exactly where it is right now. And I had a foam board there, but the problem is that the foam board just kept on, like, it was just messing up my entire studio because it was removing the little like foam and particles and all that. So I found this and I'm like, this would be the perfect fix and alternative, like more pro alternative. But yeah, the con to this is that it's quite pricey. Like, it is quite pricey. I got this for 25k, the stand for 5k. It's quite pricey. It is huge. It takes up a lot of space and it is heavy. So if you are a beginner, you have a small space, you have a small budget, please do not consider this at all. You do not need this. You do not need this. Again, I'm going to emphasize that you don't need that, and you don't need this. You can do the normal trick, the four paper trick, or this one. This one is a little bit more pro. We can do this one, but because obviously like we've done all of this and we want something better and, you know, more. That's what we're going for this. So I want you guys to just see the little bit of difference. So yeah, let me know down in the comment section if you guys saw any difference in terms of the lighting and all of that. I would really want to know your thoughts down in comment section. Again, you don't have to buy this. It's like a find, and I like to share my finds with you guys, especially when I think it's amazing. But yeah, this is it. I'm definitely loving my current lighting situation. I feel like I'm glowing, and I'm all about like that glow. I'm all about that glow, baby. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this. Was this a waste of money, or was this worth the investment? Let me know down in the comment section, and I'll definitely see you guys in one of these videos. In case you guys are getting started with creating your own YouTube video and your own YouTube setup, I have an entire playlist. Definitely check them out and subscribe to my channel. I can't wait to see you guys in one of these videos. So let's go.